Hello, I'm going to make the almond mochi cake today. I have 10 ounces of glutinous rice, then 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of butter, 1 cup of milk. I'm using that kind of milk, and 1 teaspoon of almond flavor, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and I got 2 eggs, and I got an almond crust. So I'm going to put the egg in it first. And I put the sugar in it. Then I put the butter and the milk. And the almond flavor. Then I put the glutinous rice in another bowl. And I put baking powder in it. Then I slowly put the almond, the sauce in it. Then I put all of them in there. See, wait until you mix until they get really smooth. Okay, that looks good right now. I'm going to pour it in the pan in it. Okay, this is all done. Then I'm going to be sprinkle some almond on top of it. How many you want to put almond in it is really up to you. You want more almond, you can put more in it. So I probably put 3 tablespoons on it. Okay, that looks good. Good. Then I'm gonna turn on 350 for 40 minutes. Okay. Okay, the cake is ready. So I'm gonna remove it. So I cut a little piece to show you. Okay, this is done. This is how I make it today, mochi almond cake.